Today, we're diving into the SK Hynix 32GB PC3-10600R DDR3-1333 registered ECC memory module, the powerhouse upgrade your desktop has been waiting for. With a massive 32GB capacity, this DDR3 module brings unparalleled performance to your system. Running at a speedy 1333 MHz, it ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness, whether you're gaming, editing, or tackling intensive workloads. One of the standout features of this memory module is its registered ECC, error-correcting code, technology. This ensures data integrity and system stability, crucial for mission-critical applications where errors are simply not an option. Whether you're a professional content creator, a data analyst, or a hardcore gamer, the peace of mind provided by ECC technology is invaluable. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compatibility with desktop systems. Whether you're a tech enthusiast building your dream rig or a business professional upgrading your workstation, the SK Hynix 32GB DDR3 module seamlessly integrates into your setup, instantly boosting performance without a hitch. In terms of build quality, SK Hynix has once again delivered excellence. The module exudes durability and reliability, backed by SK Hynix's reputation for producing high-quality memory solutions. Rest assured, this module is built to last, enduring the rigors of everyday use with ease. However, it's essential to note that this memory module is designed specifically for desktop systems, so compatibility with other devices may vary. Additionally, while DDR3 technology still offers impressive performance, it's worth considering if your system can take full advantage of this module's capabilities. In conclusion, the SK Hynix 32GB PC3-10600R DDR3-1333 registered ECC memory module is a game-changer for desktop users seeking unmatched performance and reliability. With its generous capacity, blazing fast speeds, and ECC technology, it's the ultimate upgrade for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Say goodbye to lag and instability. Elevate your desktop experience with SK Hynix. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.